I just started a Ko-Fi page. It's ko-fi.com/miniaturegold. Feel free to donate whatever amount you are comfortable with. And I really appreciate that. Hey, this is Miniature Gold. This is a mix-up tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to keep track of your win rate. I have basically like 6 commands here. You can see my stats over there on the left side. So I'm gonna hit my win command. I have this all on my like Stream Deck, but you can also just use the commands if you want. So I can go up by a win. It updates my win percentage. I can go up by a loss. Updates my win percentage. I can hide my win rate. I can show it. And I can also remove a win in case I hit it by accident. And it updates the percentage. I can remove a loss in case I hit that by accident. Okay. Now it does spam the chat a lot, so if you don't like that, then don't copy that part. Don't copy that part. But yeah, I'll also make this available on Ko-Fi. I'll probably charge like $2 for it if you want the if you want to like download the command. But if you just want to follow along this video and do it for free, you can do that. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you want to talk with me about Twitch, Mix It Up, gaming, life, or whatever else, follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. Okay. So I'm gonna do this like I do every time. About. We are on version 1.2.0.12. I thought I was gonna say 10. No, but we're on 0.12 right now. Okay, I'm gonna go to commands. And here I'm putting all this under a category I call analytics, but you can call the category whatever you want. Let us start with the win command. Okay. So it's called win. The trigger is win. Command groups analytics. I make it available to streamer and moderator. The first thing you're gonna do is you have a counter. Okay, so go to the drop down, select counter, add it, save to file, reset on reload. And so that means that when you start your next stream, this will automatically be set to 0. So for the counter name, I'm calling it win, and I'm setting this equal to $win plus 1. $win will get the current value of the win counter. And I'm running a command called win rate, which we haven't set up yet. We'll look at the lose counter first, and then we'll look at the win rate command. So yeah, let's look at lose. Okay, it's just like the win command, except we're doing it with lose. So if you actually, after we are done making the win rate command, if you just want to export the actions to a file, you can then export it here and just change the names here. But yeah, so this counter will be called lose, save to file, reset on reload, so it goes back to 0 out when you start your next stream. I'm going to set this to $lose plus 1 to add 1 every time you use it. And then again, we'll use the calculate win rate command. Okay. Okay, let's look at win rates. Okay, it's called win rate. It is the chat trigger is win rate with no spaces. And then it is set to streamer and moderator for who can use it. And then inside the win rate command, we are starting with a special identifier. Go to the drop down, look for special identifier, add it. And this will be I'm calling this one win percent. Make it globally usable, make it a math expression so we can do math with it. The value will be round, and then opening parentheses, close parentheses. Then inside there, $win divided by, then we have another set of parentheses in here, $win plus $lose. So we're saying the number of wins we have divided by the total number of games we've had, basically, because all our games have either been a win or a loss. And so we're taking our total number of wins over the total number of games we had. And then we're multiplying that by 100. And that gives us this percentage on the left here. Otherwise, it'll be a decimal. That is if you don't round it. Okay. And then next we have the chat message. And this simply outputs the win rate to chat. So I have win rate, $, win percent, and then percentage sign. If you put the percentage sign right after win percent, that will not ruin it. That will not mess with the special identifier. So you're safe to do that. You don't have to put a space there. And now you might be asking, why would you put the win rate in the chat? It's because some people might be watching on mobile and they might not be able to see this. Okay. So that's why I also put it in chat, so in case that's easier for them to read. But if you don't like all the chat spam, then don't do this part. Okay, now all of this here, I'm hiding the win rate, then I'm showing the win rate. Then I'm hiding the wins, then I'm showing the wins. I'm hiding the losses, then I'm showing the losses. And this refreshes all of these overlays. For the overlay action, you go to drop down, look for overlay and overlay images and videos, add that, set this to enable disable widget, and that is what this is right here. Okay, now we haven't talked about the overlay widgets, so why don't we talk about that next, since we're hiding and showing these. Click on the menu in the top left, go to overlay widgets. Well, let's look at wins first. When you make your wins, losses, and win rate overlays, when you add the overlay widget, you want the text overlay. Okay, so all you're doing is you're typing in wins : space $win, and that'll pull the number for your counter, for your win counter. Don't worry about the CSS. I did this originally because I was getting a decimal number, so I was trying to cut it off and give it an ellipses. But with round, you're not going to need that anymore because it'll just round it to the nearest whole percentage value. For position, if you want this exact position that I have, set this to pixel. My X position is 450. My Y position is 850. And this is assuming that for your mix it up overlay, it is taking up the entire screen. Okay, so that's wins. Okay, so now let's go back to losses. So this is just like the wins overlay, except it'll just say lose : $lose. And then for the position, oh yeah, by the way, I set the font size for all these overlays to 48, a font color of white, change the font to whatever you want. And then for the position, pixels, X position, 455, and then Y position, 900, to put it right below the wins. Lastly, for the win rate, again, it's a text overlay. So it says win rate : $win percent, and that'll put the percentage here. And yeah, same font size and font color. For the position, it'll be pixel 450 for the X position, 950 for the Y position. Something I should make you aware of for the wins, lose, and win rate is go to CSS. Right here where it says .text, I highly recommend adding this piece where it says background dash color : RGBA open parentheses 0, 0, 0, 0.75 closing parentheses, and then semicolon. And that'll make it so that there is a background that is like 75% opaque, so that you can see the white better, in case you're ever on a background that is also bright. Because if you're on a background that's also bright, then you're not going to be able to see this as well. So that's why I have a background on each of these overlays. And as far as hiding the win rate info, I'm checking arg1 text equals hide. So win rate hide. Okay. Now, the reason I'm putting this at the end is because all of this stuff is going to happen still. It's still going to hide and show all of these overlays, but it's not going to matter because this is the last thing on the list. So it checks if this says hide, and if it does say hide, then we're hiding the wins overlay or disabling it. We're disabling the losses overlay and then disabling the win rate overlay. And so that's what causes everything to be hidden. Now let's look at oh, and yeah, so let's go back to the win command and the lose command. Because you'll notice that in the win command, I'm using the command calculate win rate at the bottom of this. And this is great because whether we use lose or win, it's going to refresh all the overlays so that it updates the stats, updates your wins, your losses, or your win rate. No matter whether you win or lose, or win minus or lose minus. Okay, and so that's why win, lose minus, win minus have the win rate command at the bottom of it. Okay, let's look at win minus. So it's called win minus. So the analytics group, chat trigger is win minus, no spaces. Permissions are for streamer and the moderator. Set to advanced to choose more than one role. So I have another counter here. It is the win counter. Save to file, reset on reload. And we're setting this to $win -1. So it's taking the current count of the win counter and taking 1 away from it. And then use the calculate win rate command so that it updates the overlays. Lose minus is going to be the same idea. Over here we have a counter. It's decreasing the count for lose. Set it to lose counter. Set it to $lose -1 to make it decrease by 1. And then make sure you're saving this to file and resetting on load. And then run the win rate command to refresh the overlays. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much everything. So yeah, so I play Tekken, so this is to show my win stats. They can be impressed, or I can be depressed by how bad my win rate is for today. So yeah. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me about Mix It Up, Twitch, gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. And if you want to avoid the trouble, the time it takes to make this, you can also just download my command off of Ko-Fi for a couple dollars. And yeah, if there's anything else you want me to make, please let me know. And have a good one. All right. Adios.